areas that is very important is to understand the problem space, right? So in many cases you talk about the problem space and the solution space and about the separation of the two, right? Why is it important? So I can give a real life example. So if someone comes to me and asks, I would like the alarms from the network to be coming within a second, right? Okay, but is it really what you mean, right? Then, you know, we're gonna go and need to investigate the problem. We need to find out, is it about the alarms coming every second, or is it about the capability to automatically resolve it? Because, you know, real-time case was that, you know, we were asked that question, right? Can you do it within a second? Only to find out that actually on the floor it was taking 3 days to resolve them, right? So it was not possible to resolve it so quickly. So understanding the problem and, for example, bringing automation platform is something that will address the problem of a customer, accelerate the adoption in the right way, and it's going to be win-win. So what actually we do, you know, in Reailize is that we try to put all the talent. We have R&D center in Montreal where you have a good talent density, and this helps us with innovation. And one of the recent things that came out also with the, you know, Gen AI coming along, we've been using AI for a long time, right? And we have a very niche solution on the pickup analysis, and we're training models to understand, you know, different service-related problems. But it was taking time. With the advance of the LLM, we started translating pickups into a language and then we're training language of the LLM models so that they can automatically detect problems on the network without this lengthy process of this traditional AI learning. So this, you know, talent density, I think, is a critical when it comes to the innovation and creativity. So from the people perspective, it's about, I call it cross-pollination. So again, it's also to do with the creativity. If you have people that have been on different projects around the world, that have been developing different use cases. So if we bring people and augment the existing teams with the people, you know, with a wide experience, we can actually accelerate the transformation. Then you've got the automation. So with the automation, what we do, we develop a platform that allows you to accelerate manual repetitive processes, right? So you want to go from, you know, traditional workloads that were done by people, you know, in a very tedious way, to something that you can free people's time to do more creative work. Yeah, the third one was cloud. So it is about accelerating cloud deployment. So we're using the automation in order to accelerate cloud deployment, and we created like agnostic layers, you know, cloud vendor agnostic layers to again accelerate migration to the cloud, because in the cloud you can be more dynamic. So what we do for the business outcome is we actually sign up for business results, right? We take skin in the game. We go on the journey along with the client. So that's the fourth pillar, and also it's about fostering the partnership, right? So having the open platform, open APIs, partnering with the right partners, and opening up the ecosystem is something that can accelerate the journey to the techco for the telecom operators. And also what's important is that this is about, again, increasing profitability. Everyone knows that techco are much more profitable, they are much faster in adopting the technology, right? So we want to be the enablers for telecom operators to accelerate the journey on the profitability as well.